Alright guys, welcome to my first official YouTube video, with many more to come. So this channel is going to be all about, you know what, fuck that. So here's what we got today. We have a 2005 Suzuki GSXR600, alright, and it's a track-only bike. It's pretty clapped out, so we're going to be doing a lot of things to it. As you can see, there's no exhaust. We got broken rear sets, fucked up rear sets. Tank is completely rusted in the inside. Definitely going to need some new tires, change sprocket. That's what we got going on there. But needs a battery. The guy who I bought it from said he had it sitting for a couple years, but it ran, everything's fine on it. Definitely going to need a new fairing stay bracket here. But I turned it on, wanted to crank over, there's no gas in it, just because of the fact that it's pretty rusted in there. So we're going to see what we can do about that. This video is just going to be me working on this project. It's not necessarily going to be like a how-to kind of thing. I will touch base on different things like that, but just keep in mind I'm no certified mechanic. This is just at home and stuff, you know, learn as I go. So let's get fucking started. Let's start taking shit down, you know. I haven't ordered parts yet, or I have a list of things I need, but we're just going to kind of dig into it. Let's do it, motherfucker. Oh, whatever. Beautiful. Not too bad. So that's good. I don't have to spend money on a fucking air filter. So that's great. All right, we're gonna start taking the, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the front and work my way to the back. You know what I mean? Also, let me know if the audio's good. I got this mic, but honestly, I'm not really sure how to fucking use it. I thought it was just plug and play, but could be fucked up. I'm gonna change the battery.